Good evening, or whatever time it may be for you. It is day 14 of coding every day until I get a job. Um, oh yeah, I took the final. I completely forgot. If anyone watched the last week or so, I was getting prepared for that discrete math final. I think I did okay. I think I did enough to do what I needed to do, right? And that's all that matters. But there was like 8 induction questions. Yeah, no, those went terrible. But the DFA, NFA, logical expressions, and stuff like that all went decent. So I think I did fine. Um, anyways, it's late, so my brain power is not all there. Um, I I'm only gonna do admin of code today again. Um, and then starting hopefully, depending when I wake up tomorrow, I'll probably do quite a bit more tomorrow. And then Sunday and Monday are also gonna be pretty short, but after that, like Tuesday onwards, longer videos, projects, and not just fucking data structures and admin of code. So yeah, so idea for today. Idea for today is AOC number 13. Right? That's all I want to do today. Okay. Bop, bop. And then we didn't I still have to do day 4 over and day 12, the second part. Whoa. Don't look, guys. Don't look at that. Please. Um, day third. Oh, this wouldn't be a file yet. Damn. I would want. Are you gonna open the terminal? Thank you. CD downloads. CD AOC. CD day 13. Echo. No, it's the greater than. Echo data.txt. Echo day third dot py, and we can go into day third dot py. Actually, give me data dot text for 13. Okay, are we ready? Are we ready? Day 13. Day 13, claw contraption. Next up, the lobby of a resort on a tropical island. The historians take a moment to admire the hexagonal floor tiles before spreading out. Fortunately, it looks like the resort has a new arcade. Maybe you can win some prizes from the claw machines. The claw machines here are a little unusual. Instead of a joystick or directional buttons to control the claw, these machines have two buttons labeled A and B. Worse, you can't just put in a token and play. It costs 3 tokens to push A and 1 token to push B. With a little experimentation, you figure out that each machine's buttons are configured to move the claw a specific amount right along x-axis and a specific amount forward along the y-axis each time the button is pressed. Each machine contains one prize. To win the prize, the claw must be positioned exactly above the prize on both the x and y-axes. You wonder, what is the smallest number of tokens you would have to spend to win as many prizes as possible? You assemble a list of every machine's behavior and prize location, your puzzle input. Okay, give me this. Am I in data.txt? I am. Beautiful. Actually, I'm gonna do something different today as well. Day third.py. I want to actually no, never mind. Um, advent of code. Day 13, part 1 and part 2. Oh, I was like, why isn't this coloring in? Because I didn't. Part 1. Okay, and then this will just put a pass for now. So button A, move the X and Y that much. Button B that much. And then that's that. Mm, I see. These lists describe the button's configuration that applies. Okay, for now, consider just the first claw machine in the list. Pushing machines. Anybody remove. Pushing the B button will move. Yeah. The claw's initial position. So the claw's initial position is 0, 0, right? Okay, so we already have a condition saying if we get to 101, don't go anymore because if it never can find it. Um, so there is an algorithm to find the shortest point between how to find the. Okay, I literally had to go work on the other project I was talking about earlier because whatever. Okay, part one. Where were we? Something about a claw machine. Oh yeah, I wanted a equation to find. Actually, just ChatGPT this. I don't want to be searching around for this. Oh, there's something new I saw in ChatGPT. Um, where yeah, projects. Advent of code. Ooh, add files, tailor the way. Oh my god, I'm screenshotting this and sending it to my group chat. 1 second. This is sick. Okay. Um, this chat. Oh, what was the example? Okay. This chat is all about Advent of Code, which is a series of 25 problems of coding in December. I am trying to improve my coding skills during this duration. So when I ask any question, only answer the direct question. Even if I give the entire problem and my code don't solve the problem, just answer my question. If I ask for the answer, if I ask for the code, give it to me. But if I don't, refrain from it. Okay. Um, so let's try this out. Why can't I fucking click anything? Hello? Is this just Arc being fucking stupid? No. There we go. Why was it doing that? Okay. For this question, my idea is to find the shortest path. Oh, this would be a DFS, wouldn't it? From 2 points. Would this be just an equation or a search problem, like DFS. A simple algebraic manipulation doesn't guarantee integer solutions, since each button press has a cost. Oh, it's gonna be a fucking. Brute force, loop over all possible A to B. Yeah, that is brute force. Since this is a linear equation uses Euclidean algorithm. So, okay. Oh my god, this is sick. Okay, so let's first. How do I even want to read in this data? 'Cause let's say I get the 2 points, right? Well, just no, it's 1 point. It's 1 point. I guess you could say 0, 0 is the second point, as I want to get from 0, 0 to that. And on these transitions, how do I get there? And so this was saying ax plus b times b of x equals p of x. So this one is very interesting. Could you go into more detail on approach 2? Simple example of like a point 0, 0 to 5, 7. So we just assume button A is this, then this. The goal is to find non-negative integers A and B such that, yep. So A times 2. So no, so how many times you press the button times 2 plus B times 1. Oh, wait. Oh, both buttons perform an X and Y action. I thought it was one button did the X and one button did the Y. I see. Okay. So 2A plus 1B. The y-axis. This is a lot of math. So when we press button A, we move 2x, 3y. When we press button B, we move 1x, 4y. Right? The goal is to find a non-negative integer such that some value A times 2 and some value B times 1 equals 5. Right? So, okay, how, like, what values does the AX and the BX need to be on both presses for us to get that first value of X, which is 5? And then we would need to find the Y's. Okay. So to find, so basically, okay, basically what I want to do is I want to find, I want to first find the X and Y combo that satisfies this. This being the equation of I'm gonna check that DM real quick. A DM for people that don't understand my grind. That's what I checked right there. Okay. So okay. Okay, what was this doing last time? Oh yeah. Um so this moves it 64 times. So we want an equation that takes a A button, right? A what was it? A well they have AX equals 2. It'd be AX plus no. Oh yeah, button X equals goal. Goal X, I guess. Also, in AY plus BY equals goal Y, right? So all I really want to do for reading this in. So first off, I want to do with open data.txt read as file. Um, So we have multiple machines. God, storing this data is gonna be a bitch. I could just do a 2D array because there's no real rhyme or rhythm to this, right? All I'm doing really is array of machines, right? We're just gonna have an array of the machines, and then we're going to just append. This is gonna be so messy because I have to store both the A button transitions, the B button transitions, and the prizes, like the final like goal, right? So it's like, and then what am I returning? Minimum tokens spent, right? So return minimum tokens, one for each B, three for each A. Okay, so I have the array of machines, and I want to do for line and file, right? I want to do. Oh, this is where it gets complex, right? Because what I want to do is I don't care about button. I don't care about A. All I care about is I don't care. All I care about are the numbers. Actually, each line only has numbers. So, um, um, I want to read in his input. I'm struggling to figure out how best to store all of these values I need. The idea was an array of arrays, each array being a machine and the sub array in order having the A button X then Y, then B button X and Y, then prize X and Y. But I don't know the code to do this. I suck at string splitting. Is that really? Oh yeah, it is a new line. Regex. That's what I gotta learn. That's what I gotta learn. I'm gonna check these DMs real quick. Okay. Regex. This is really just work. Boring. In machine blocks. Split machines. Oh, my eyes, bruh. Okay. Um, What is this doing? It's taking the input and then doing that. So my input is this. That's file. So machine blocks equals. It should just be this, right? Um, um, as file equals file.strip. And then let's just print machines. Python dather.py. Why don't you work? Checking the. Anyways. What is this error? Text wrapper has no. I need to import this. That is true. What? I hate just prompting, but like I don't know what this could be. File contents dot read dot strip. Okay. God, fuck off with all the fucking text blocks. My God. Okay, there we go. Value, 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 value. Some cool regex. Some cool regex. Gotta learn it. Anyways, so now we have all our values. So the idea now, right, is like for the first one, right, for machine in machines, right? I want to take this and we want to say, okay, ooh, you know something really beautifully brute forced? Finding the shortest way to get to B given. Yeah, but how do you find that it's the shortest, right? Because it's like I could just like because we know the cap is 100, right? So I could literally just guess and check from 0 to 100 all the way through until we find something that hits target on both of the Y values, right? And I start with like the lowest amount of um uh see, but that's weird though. So like you know how like oh no. I think what I can do is I can just say okay, like for machine at index um well first we want to calculate it for button A because button A costs the most. Right? So I want to say for button A, which is going to be at 0, I'm pretty sure. Right? I want to say in range of 100. We know that's our cap. And for, no. The idea, so this is for finding the x, right? And so I want to find, well, no, I want to start with the B button. Now, there definitely is just a simpler way, right? Right, because my brute force is going to be, um, I start with like the B button at 4 x, and I just keep incrementing it until I get to like at or above, and then I remove one, and then I add the x, then I remove one and add the x, and I just keep doing that over and over again, right? So it would be like, I guess it would be for for the third item, right? I want to keep going through, and I want to say, okay, if machines, that's not how a for works. For index in range of 100, if machines at here, right? Or no. Yeah, at here. Um, if this value is ever machines at 2, but then I want to keep incrementing it, right? So it's like I want to say like machines machine bx is equal to machines at 2, right? And then at the end of this loop, I want to say, or no. Oh my God. Well, this starts at 0, right? So I can just do plus equals index times um index time whatever the value is, which would be machine at 2. Or no, index, yeah. Yeah, right? And so if machine bx is equal to, apologies, my father came in again. Okay. So where were we? If it is a match to machines at machine at, oh yeah, this is all machine. Um, if that's just a 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, just 3. Whoa, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. No, 4. 4. Um, if it matches this value, right? Then we just want to say actually now that we found this value, we can also now just do a, yeah, I shouldn't do that. I should say if we find this value, then like, then this like, okay. I guess it's going to be a lot easier for me to define some methods here of like find x, right? Which this will be that. And so we're going to pass through machine, right? And then I'm going to return index here. So I'm going to say for machine to machine, call find x with machine. And then num of x is going to be equal to the result of this. And then the number of y is going to be equal to find y passing through our machine. So def find y with the argument of a machine will be, I know I still have to do some stuff here, but just for now, this will be by machine at 3 by return index, right? Now we need the condition of, okay, what if it doesn't match, right? What if at no point, well, at first it should be, if it's not equal to this, right? This is correct here. But if it doesn't match, right? I guess what I want here is I want an else if. I want to say else if machine bx is greater than machine at 4, right? Then I want to start including the next value, right? I want to now I want to take away, I want to make machine bx equal minus equal to what the fuck is this? This is equal to this, which is equal to, no, this is just equal to um oh oh I guess that is right. My bad. Okay. Minus equal just the value of this, right? Just every single time it's greater. After, if it's bigger, I just want to do this. I want to do that, and I want machine. We're still on B, right? No. AX is equal to machine 0. But in the only time it's going to do what it's doing before is now machine AX plus equals index times machine AX. Right? No. God, my head, bro. Because this looping for range is like this would mean it's only 100 times, right? So there could be a scenario with how I'm testing this. There could be a scenario in which um I went up, let's say 70 times on one. Well, no, maybe this is fine. Let's just try this out. This wouldn't be times. This would be. Oh boy. Do I really need a separate count variable? Okay, sure. Count equals 0. Oh my god. It means these are fucked up. Oh my god. Count plus equal 1. Right? And we just keep doing this. But now we need bounds checking. Right? Ah, fuck it. Who cares about bounds checking? Okay, give me this whole thing. And then this is machine 3, 3, 1, 5, 5, 3. And then I need like the values. I need like oh no, it's not even that, bro. I have to return the number of A and B buttons that were pushed. Uh, I'm going at 8 no matter what. That's 18 minutes. Yeah, it's over an hour. I'm getting nagged to do something else. What do I even want to? So, no matter what, it should never take more than 100 moves, right? The cheapest way to do this is to hit this 80 times and this 40 times, right? We're assuming you never have to hit a singular button more than, so what? For range 200? Fuck it. I'm asking ChatGPT. I literally, my mind doesn't even understand what I'm trying to do right now. Ugh. For each machine, you have two constraints. Yeah. That's not what I was doing. Quite literally what I was doing. Find presses to reach target. Max presses 100. Min tokens. Best A, best B. Press B up to max presses times. Remaining is the goal minus. Okay. If the remaining is less than 0, then we're overshooting. If remaining, check if A can perfectly fill the gap. Right? And for I and machine, this all equals machine. We pass through what we need into both of them. Wait, AY? Oh, we're defining those. Really? Okay. Oh, okay. You got me. I mean, it makes sense, right? Get all that out of there. Get all of that out of there. We do not care about you. Except when you do that shit. I hate when it does that shit, bro. Okay. First, let me make sure. Well, now, isn't that funny? See, isn't that fun? Wait, it's getting this and this correct? Why is it doing this? Why is it doing an AX, a BX, and an AY, and a BY? I mean, does not just like Oh yeah, maybe I should. But I don't think this is right. I think at the same time I like removed like some core logic here. Yeah, not what I wanted. Doubt it works. Machine. Oh. You know what? Let's just pull it up on this one. Again, it fucking. I'm gonna crash out. I fucking hate telescope. Oh my god. Mm-hmm. So we need to have calculated the key instead of the problem. Like they have the position using A and B. For each machine, we have A and X movement capital B. The position relative to the prize. Yep. So what are you even going to be changing here? Interesting. Yeah, guys, don't mind me. Just a little prompt engineer over here. That's all I am. Let's look at the summary of changes. Uses brute force to find all possible combinations. That's what my original approach was. I mean, okay, this is just doing what like originally. Like max press is 100, which was my for loop beforehand. Is saying X. What is it passing through? I machine. This is just the values of the machine that's passing through. Okay. So it passes through all elements of the machine, not just the machine, and does max presses. And 4 max presses plus 1. We're doing a double for loop on A and B, which is weird, but okay. X is going to be equal to AX times the value of A plus BUX times value of B. Interesting. If X is an B, if Y is equal to P of, calculate the cost. Okay. Then enumerate. Calls that with all of these. And then if there's not a none, the A and the B that are returned, then we just calculate. Okay. Okay. I'm honestly, I'm not locked in right now. I am not locked in right now. Again, we've come to the same realization that um, I don't. Oh my God, my hair, bro. I don't work good at night. Past like 3, 4 p.m. No, my mind is just mushy. So this should be the only weekend that cause I obviously I want to upload something every day, and this is my worst upload yet. Um, so I think what the plan is tomorrow I should be able to get this in the morning, which I'll just start a new day. This day was awful. I'll finish this up another day during winter break. These ones that I haven't done the part twos on, and then what else? Yeah, I mean, unfortunate. I want to get something out there every day. So I mean, I did code today. You know, I did code today, but it was fucking terrible. So, oh well. I'm stalling until an hour mark because I said every single one of these is going to be at least an hour. Um, so yeah, we're just gonna sit here, and I'm gonna go a little past an hour to make sure it's an hour after finishing. Um, but yeah. So tomorrow morning I'll be back with another advent of code. And yeah, next week will be nice. We can actually work on like projects and stuff, and not just advent of code every single day. That will be fun. And then we can start learning regex. Yay, regex. Okay. I'll see you tomorrow for the next advent of code, and then sometime over the next month we will wrap up all of these part twos. So, bye.